Welcome to this video on linear regression. Linear regression is a fundamental statistical technique used in data analysis and modeling. In this video, we'll go over the basics of linear regression, its types, and its uses. Linear regression is a statistical technique used to establish a relationship between two variables. It helps us to understand how one variable is affected by another. The basic idea behind linear regression is to fit a straight line to a set of data points, such that it can predict the value of the dependent variable for a given value of the independent variable. Linear regression can be broadly classified into two types. 1. Simple linear regression. When we have only one independent variable and one dependent variable, we use simple linear regression. 1. For example, we may want to predict the salary of an employee based on their years of experience. 2. Multiple linear regression. When we have more than one independent variable, we use multiple linear regression. 2. For example, we may want to predict the price of a house based on its size, number of rooms, and location. To perform linear regression, we need to define a model, which is a mathematical equation that describes the relationship between the dependent variable and one or more independent variables. In simple linear regression, the model is represented as y equals b0 plus b1 x, where y is the dependent variable, x is the independent variable, b0 and b1 are the intercept and slope coefficients, respectively. The goal of linear regression is to find the values of b0 and b1 that minimize the sum of the squared errors between the predicted and actual values of y. In multiple linear regression, the model is represented as y equals b0 plus b1 by 1 plus b2 by 2 plus bn xn, where y is the dependent variable, x1, x2, xn are the independent variables, b0, b1, b2, bn are the intercept and slope coefficients, respectively. Linear regression is used in a variety of fields, such as finance, economics, and engineering. It can help us to make predictions, identify trends, and analyze the impact of different variables on the outcome of interest. Conclusion. In conclusion, linear regression is a powerful statistical technique that allows us to model the relationship between two or more variables. We have discussed the two types of linear regression, simple and multiple, and how they are used to build models. Linear regression is a versatile tool that can help us to make predictions and better understand the world around us. Thanks for watching. Do like and subscribe.